Like a Hellcat.
Guys, it's Gold Rogue here, and get off notification. There we go. Come on, really, stay off. And let's play this. I had this on my old phone. I like the game.
Ist Montag.
Oh, come on, ad.
Spoke German. Spoke.
And this is my favorite character right here. Hello. Yeah. Ah. Oh, what the frick? Sir, stay down, sir. You're under arrest. Nah. Get up. Yeah. Oh, what the? Ah! My face! Yeah, that's what you get. Yeah! Oh, get off me! Saw! Oh, where'd he go? There you go. I'm just stomping all over him. Oh, what? Is he dead? He is definitely dead. I bet it's gonna start in there. Yeah, 300. We'll play this 3 more times.
Ist Montag.
Stupid
I
ass.
did it. Spoke German. Spoke.
I hate ads. Do you guys agree? Ads suck. Oh, come on. Attack. Sir, you are under arrest. Get off me. Yeah. Oh, what the? Yeah, get out of here. What was that? Something is wrong with the kicks that I remember. Oh, what was that? He just elbowed me in the stomach and sent us both flying. Ow. Yeah! Ah! You think this is a game? Yeah! You think this is a game? A stupid ass. Stay down, sir! Get off me! Yeah, the kicks suck. But they're funny as crap. Ah! That's what you get, chair. And he just tackled me to the ground. Get up! Stand up. I won once again. How much more do I have? This is my favorite map. You guys all know why. Because I love pizza. Hashtag pizza in the comments. No, seriously. Hashtag pizza. It's my arch nemesis from the other times I played this game. The Chinese man. Ah! Haha! Oh, what the? Get up! Ow! Did you see it? He did a tuck and roll. Ah! I will not lose to you. Nope. I'm not gonna lose to you on this phone. Nope. Get off me! This is assault, sir. This is assault. This is assault. What was that? Windmill kick? He's so afraid that he can't even get up. And that's how I beat my arch nemesis, the Chinese in purple suit. The Chinese in purple suit man. Man, I love this game. Stupid ad. Hey, oh no! I just came here to order a cheese pizza and you come here. Disgraceful! Hey, stay down! No one stops my pizza time! Though I am not Peter Parker from Spider-Man 2. This is my pizza time! Ah ha ha! Tuck and roll, man! Tuck and roll! I am drunk. I'm not drunk in real life. Just I'm talking about my guy. Like, look at him. He falls over at the slightest thing. Stand your ground. You stood your ground, old friend. Or old enemy. Don't judge me! That's gonna do it for today. Bye!